Hey, what's up, people? Thought I'd try something different today, give y'all a little vibe early in the morning. On my way up to pick up my truck and then drop off a container in PA. Is what the day is looking like for today. Something real simple. I think it's about it's like a 2-hour ride. It's not that far, probably like 120 miles, 130 miles, something like that. One way, and then 130 miles back, so nothing too crazy today. Had a great workout yesterday over the Thanksgiving break. Had a 4-day weekend. Was able to reset, rejuvenate, and replenish this energy, because I mean, you need good energy and you need a lot of it to get on the road and be able to get these miles in. Sometimes the road can suck the life out of you without you even noticing. Yeah, so did all of that for the Thanksgiving break. I did what I do. I ran to the gym, good 10-minute run. Then did some biceps, chest, shoulders, and traps. And then I did some triceps. I just did one set of triceps. Yeah, so we're gonna just start implementing some workouts in here. Also did some kettlebells on Saturday, some single arm swings, some what are they called? Sumo squats. Yeah, sumo squats. Some hip swings. What else did I do? Single arm swings into a press. Single arm swings into a clean. So kettlebells are a great workout for you, especially for the truck. If you have a 25-pound kettlebell or a 35-pound kettlebell, you can get busy with that, man. You can build some muscle with that thing, and you can burn some fat. Them swings aren't no joke. That was like 3 days ago on my hips, and I'm still sore. So annoying how people get on your tail and then switch lanes at the last minute. It makes zero sense. It's like, you want to be speeding to switch lanes where there's no traffic. Yeah, so I'm trying to add all of those stuff into the videos, on top of making our deliveries on time. Because that's what makes the money, on time deliveries. Yeah, so I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving break, spent some time with the family. Spend some time with the little ones. I'm telling you, man, like the stresses of the road and the loneliness. When you see those little smiles at home, it's just like, oh man, it just fills you with this energy. I just can't even explain it. It's just like, oh man, it's like It's like you put your charger, you put your phone on the charger and you just fill up. Fill up with those little laughs and those little happy, smiles and happy faces. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Ready to go. So, telling myself, I'm the best ever. Like Mike Tyson. There's nobody more ferocious than me. Anyway. So, alright. I'm gonna make that delivery today. And then I should get a workout in today too. As soon as I get home, probably vlog that a little bit. So, if I did heavy biceps yesterday, chest. Sorry, man. Heavy shoulders. So we're gonna do back. Probably back. Heavy triceps. Maybe back, tries. I guess you could do a little bit of chest again. Alright, so we'll get that workout in later after we deliver these loads. Alright, peace. So right now I am outside of the Freightliner dealership because once I started on my truck, my alternator belt slipped off and snapped. So yeah, I'm on my way to go inside the Freightliner dealership, as you can see right there. And yeah, man, I just want to be able to start my day off without anything happening. You know, just once, man, just once. Anyway, the part is pretty cheap. It's like $40 or something like that, but it's pretty tight to get on there, so it might take me a couple hours. Just cause I don't know. Hopefully it takes me 30 minutes, but I doubt it. So we'll keep on going and I'll show you what the belt looks like before and after. Alright, check this out. First things first, let's open up this hood. This thing is off its rocker. So we see what it looks like. Let's get the new one on. So brought it to the mechanic because after the second belt I put on, popped. So I'm on my third belt for today and we're putting in new pulleys. Alright, see when that's all done up. So there's a pulley right there. Those two bolts come out and that's what holds the pulleys. So we got a brand new pulley here, people. Brand new pulley. brand new belts. And we should be able to actually make money tomorrow, but not today. Alright, till the next video.